Everyone, it's Dr. Parul here. Let's discuss about granuloma today. It's an important question for every medical student, be it MBBS, be it dental, and in fact for NEET PG also. One question surely comes out of this topic. Let's understand granuloma. So we all have studied in second year MBBS that what is this granuloma? It's a pattern of the chronic inflammation, and where it is seen in TB. So what happens? Let's understand it now. This TB antigen arrives in the human body. It will activate the macrophages. अब ये macrophages कैसे दिखते हैं? They are huge cells, okay? They are oval to round in shape. They have foamy cytoplasm. And इनका जो न्यूक्लियस होता है वो कैसा होता है? It is peripherally placed. Now once this macrophages gets activated, now what will happen? These macrophages will further activate the cytokines like interferon gamma. Now interferon gamma, which is released by the activated macrophages. Now what will this interferon gamma will do? ये जो interferon gamma है वो आगे release करेगा CD4 T helper cells. But कौन से? The T helper 1 cells. दिस CD4 T helper 1 cells अब ये क्या करेंगे? वापस से एक्टिवेट करते हैं इंटरफेरॉन गामा को. सो वापस से रिलीज़ होता है. जैसे इंटरफेरॉन गामा वापस से रिलीज़ होता है, ये क्या करता है? ग्रैनुलोमा फॉर्मेशन को स्टार्ट करता है. सो इन शॉर्ट, the function of the interferon gamma is, first one, it has to activate the lymphocytes का proliferation करना and differentiation करना, and second is the activation of the macrophages, and now these macrophages will further form the epithelioid cells. Now how does these epithelioid cells look? These are elongated cells, okay? These are slipper shaped cells, and जैसे activate होते हैं macrophages, those macrophages gets converted into the epithelioid cells. In short, the definition of granuloma is the epithelioid cells. Those are the elongated cells which are surrounded by the lymphocytes and accompanied by the giant cells. There are two types of giant cells. First is Langerhans type giant cells. Okay, इसमें कैसा होगा? Like the nucleus, they are placed peripherally. Arrangement nucleus का horseshoe shape होगा. And other one is foreign body giant cells. इसमें जो nucleus होता है वो haphazardly spread होते हैं. There is no such pattern. That's all about granuloma, the definition, the mechanism and the types of the giant cells. In the next video, I will be discussing about the types of granuloma. अगर आज कुछ न्यू सीखने को मिला है, do hit the like button and share it with your medico friends. Thank you.